Are you looking for a simple and efficient way to improve your team collaboration? Well, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to use Process.st for team collaboration, a tool that can transform how your team handles processes and tasks. Stick around until the end, and I'll also share a way you can use Process.st for free with some exclusive bonuses. Process.st is an intuitive workflow management software designed to streamline your team's tasks and processes. It simplifies collaboration by letting you create repeatable workflows, track progress in real time, and ensure that every team member is aligned with what needs to be done. Let's dive right in. First, once you sign up for Process.st, you'll be greeted by a user-friendly dashboard that gives you a quick overview of your team's current workflows. The key here is that you can organize your processes into simple checklists or step-by-step workflows, ensuring nothing gets missed. You'll start by creating a process or workflow. A process is essentially a list of tasks that you want your team to follow. You can make them as detailed as needed, adding text, links, and even videos to each step for clearer instructions. If you're managing a team and want to assign specific roles, you can assign tasks to individuals, making sure that everyone knows exactly what they need to do. The real power of Process.st comes with its collaboration features. Once you have your process set up, you can invite your team members to participate. Everyone can see what's been completed, what's in progress, and what still needs attention. This live update feature ensures that your team is always on the same page. No more wondering who's doing what or when something's due. One of the standout features of Process.st is its ability to automate repetitive tasks. Let's say you have a process that your team needs to follow every week. Instead of having to manually trigger that process every time, you can set it to run on a schedule. This helps reduce human error and ensures that nothing slips through the cracks. Another useful feature is the ability to integrate Process.st with other tools you might already be using, like Slack, Google Drive, and Zapier. This makes it easy to share information across platforms and get real-time updates without having to juggle between different apps. By integrating your tools, you keep everything in one place, making collaboration even easier. Now here's the best part: tracking your team's performance. With Process.st, you can get detailed reports and analytics on how well your processes are running. This feature allows you to identify bottlenecks, improve efficiency, and ultimately boost your team's productivity. By the way, if you're new to Process.st, you can try it completely free through the link below. Plus, I've got exclusive bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. This is your chance to test out the software and see firsthand how it can transform the way your team collaborates. Before we wrap up, remember that Process.st's main goal is to help teams work smarter, not harder. Whether you're managing a small project or an entire department, it simplifies the process management so your team can focus on what really matters: getting things done. So, if you're looking for a way to improve team collaboration with a software that's simple, powerful, and customizable, give Process.st a try today. And don't forget to click the link in the description for your exclusive extended free trial. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you take your team collaboration to the next level with Process.st.